Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So right now you are seeing on the screen this degree symbol, phi symbol and plus or minus symbol. And do you know how we will add these symbols in the AutoCAD? So today I will explain how to add all these symbols in the AutoCAD. So this is an text guys, this is an multi-text. So first we will click on this text and it will goes to that text editing mode. Here you will see guys, this is the symbols here. So for every symbol there is an one command also there. You see guys, decrease symbol, this percentage d. So if you press this one, it will be comes to an degree symbol guys. And if you see that another symbols here, if you see guys, this one is plus or minus diameter. So first I am clicking this degree symbol, you see guys how it is came degree symbol. And similarly if I am click on this plus or minus symbol, see guys it will come as plus or minus. And if I click on this diameter symbol, similarly it will come to the diameter guys. See guys, like this we will add the degrees, plus or minus and diameter symbols. For suppose if you want more symbols like this, then we will click on here and we will go to this others and it will open like this. So from here how we will this is an registration mark, just you see guys. So if you are click it here and if you are click on here from selections, and if you are take this copy and if you are come here and we will simply what we will do, control V, which is an paste. You see guys how this registration symbol will be came here. Like this we can easily get the symbols, inbuilt symbols are there in AutoCAD. Here we will get easily these symbols we can add in the AutoCAD. So this is about the symbols adding guys. If you have any doubts and queries, please let me know in the comment box. If you want any more videos on this AutoCAD, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box and share this video to your friends guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys.